In this video, we will explore the top drones that you can get for under $200. With a wide range of drones on the market, it can be challenging to find the right one. While some drones may exceed expectations, others may fall short. You might be skeptical about finding a quality drone within this price range, but these remarkable options will surely prove you wrong. Let's begin with the ZLL Beast Pro Max, an impressive drone option. This drone features a 3-axis gimbal, which provides decent stabilization for capturing photos and videos. While it may not reach the level of professional-grade quality, the visual output is still commendable. Starting at just under $200, the Beast Pro Max includes an obstacle avoidance sensor. However, for practicality, you have the option to save $20 by purchasing the drone without this feature. With a range of up to 1,200 meters, approximately a quarter of a mile, you can expect reliable video transmission through its Z-Link system. The flight time of this drone is around 25 minutes, allowing for extended aerial exploration. Although the video quality is advertised as 4K, it's important to note that the sensor's performance may limit its full potential. Therefore, it's advisable to focus on the good 1080p video output. Additionally, the ZLL Beast Pro Max comes with a convenient carrying case and offers some additional accessories. Overall, the ZLL Beast Pro Max provides a decent entry point into the world of drones. Next is the Potensic D58 4K drone, known for its impressive features. The 4K camera delivers high-definition images and smooth videos. With a wide angle of 120 degrees, you can capture a broad field of view. Novices and young children will find the one-key landing and takeoff feature easy to use. The altitude hold capability keeps the drone at a predetermined height, removing the need to control the throttle. The specially designed aluminum carrying case provides excellent protection for the D58, accommodating all accessories. It's ideal for outdoor flights and safeguards the drone in case of collisions. The detachable battery is user-friendly and allows for 32 to 36 minutes of flight time with 2 batteries. The remote control includes a camera adjust switch, enabling easy adjustment of the camera's angles. The elongated smartphone holder securely holds phones of all sizes. The D58 offers Follow Me mode to track your movements worldwide and Orbit mode for capturing stunning panoramas. Another standout choice with exceptional features is the Stone HS165D 4K GPS RC quadcopter drone. It boasts a 4K ultra-clear camera with a wide-angle lens and adjustable capabilities for precise high-resolution image capture. The 5 GHz FPV transmission ensures smooth video streaming in challenging conditions. With automatic return home function and 2 batteries, it offers up to 46 minutes of flight time. It's user-friendly with altitude hold, optical flow, and convenient features like one-key takeoff or landing. Weighing less than 250 grams, it doesn't require FAA registration. The autopilot mode allows for tracking and following, and the smartphone app enables fixed location capture. Enjoy the fantastic flight experience with the HS165D drone. Next on our list is the Stone HS120D GPS drone, which comes with a specially designed bag that allows you to carry all the necessary equipment for the drone wherever you go. The drone features an optimized 2K Ultra HD adjustable camera and a foldable controller with an adjustable design. The HS120D can send clear HD videos with vivid colors, providing you with a bird's eye view of the sky. With gesture control technology, you can pose for the camera and automatically take videos and photos, sending them to friends via social media instantly. The drone can automatically follow and fly alongside a preset path, making it easier to capture complex shots hands-free. One-key takeoff or landing, speed adjustment, and altitude hold functions make this drone accessible even for children and beginners. The GPS mode helps to keep the drone on an unwavering hover, while the return to home function allows the drone to turn back in case it is out of range or not receiving signals or is at low power. The drone's direction is oriented towards the user, making it easier to control, even up to 300 meters in the air, so there's no need to worry about losing direction. And finally making to the list is the Stone HS165 GPS drone, which is equipped with a high-definition camera for capturing high-quality photos and videos during flight. The camera's 90-degree field of view provides a unique perspective for capturing memorable moments from different angles. Using the app, you can mark waypoints on the map for the drone to follow, allowing you to focus on capturing photos and videos while enjoying the beautiful scenery. With GPS mode enabled, pressing the return button will make the drone return to the takeoff point. It can also automatically return if it loses power or connectivity, ensuring you don't have to worry about losing the drone. The drone's battery has a capacity of 880 mAh, providing a flight duration of approximately 14 minutes. The bundle includes two modular batteries, extending the total flight time to 28 minutes and making battery replacement easier and more convenient. The HS165 has a compact and foldable design, making it easy to transport in the included carrying case. Enjoy real-time first-person view or FPV video with 5 GHz Wi-Fi transmission and features like headless mode and altitude hold, which make this drone beginner-friendly. Indeed, choosing the best drone ultimately depends on your personal preferences and needs. All the drones mentioned are solid options for beginners, each with its own set of features and capabilities. It's important to consider factors such as camera quality, flight time, range, ease of use, and additional features that may be important to you. By evaluating these aspects and determining which drone aligns best with your requirements, you can find the perfect starter drone that suits your needs and helps you embark on an enjoyable aerial adventure. So, what do you think of this list? Do you know of other economical drones that weren't included? Share it in the comment section below. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for more learning.